this topic by discussing the term conflict. What is a conflict? We all know that no two individuals, they are at the same level of understanding ever. Yes, be it say two kids playing together, या दो बड़े लोग घर में हैं, or even at workplace. It is not possible that we are in harmony at all times. नहीं हो सकता. Yes, there will be times when we will have conflicts. We will differ in opinion. We will have our own perspective towards situations. We will have some difference in opinions. So conflicts will happen. Conflicts are inevitable. They are bound to happen. Not that I'm saying that अच्छे relationships नहीं होते. बहुत अच्छे relationships होते हैं. We are all in very healthy relationships also. However, conflicts are a part of our lives. Yes. And in fact, conflicts can be of various types at various levels, starting with, say, interpersonal relation, or at relational levels. We can also have conflicts at our workplace, at the professional front. We also have conflicts at, say, organizational levels. We have it at national level, international level. In fact, right now also we are all in a situation where we are fighting. It is a conflict that as a whole, as a world, we are fighting with China. We are in a conflict with China because I think the way it spread this deadly disease, coronavirus, because of which, we have to bear the brunt. So yes, conflicts will be there. And when I talk about conflicts at the relational level, I might end up fighting, say, with my parents sometimes, or, we fight with our spouses, with our kids, with our friends, with our siblings. Yes. And reasons could be many again. It could be, say, some sort of a cultural clash. It could be some sort of a value clash. Yes, or sometimes, it is just an age clash between siblings. So it could be any reason. Likewise, say, at organizational level, again, I might have a difference of opinion with my peers. Or I might, have a difference of opinion or a clash with my manager. I've been into sales, so a lot of times there has been a very common, scenario where sales is in a constant conflict with the production. That is a team level conflict. Yes, we in sales, say we have given some sort of a commitment to a client, but the production is not ready to, adhere to it or not doing the delivery on time, or probably some sort of a quality issue. So yes, conflicts will always be there. No matter what kind of a conflict we are going through, the main need or the requirement is that we need to resolve it. Conflict management is something that we need to learn. Yes. Till the time, a conflict arising, say, out of any situation, yes, is not resolved, it will not only, say, lead to mental stress, but eventually it will also become destructive in nature. And when I say that it will become destructive in nature, say something like a small irritation started in my head because of some reason. Slowly, I will not even realize when that small irritation will turn into, say, annoyance. It will then take shape of anger and maybe violence. If I don't address it at the irritation level, when it will become violence, I will not even realize. Yes. And it will probably become so late that by the time I get that realization, things are already, gone out of my hands. Yes. Or it is over. Yes. So, in fact, there is a very popular saying also that it is better or more rewarding to resolve a conflict rather than dissolving a relationship. Yes. But sometimes, this is our ego that comes in between, and we get into some unnecessary, upheaval. But, the main point is that whatever is the conflict, that is why, we have so many hierarchies in place. If you see, you know say at organizational level, there are people operating starting from, say, supervisors to managers to general managers to managing directors and even board of directors. And one of the key roles and responsibilities that they have as their KRA is to resolve conflicts that happen in the organization. Yes, जब भी कोई conflict होता है, don't we go to our bosses? Yes, we try and go to them, we try and seek their advice. Yes, especially when we can't handle it on our own. Yes. And even at, say, personal level or at relational level, lot of times, you will see that when two siblings fight, father or a mother would immediately come in, for a truce. Or say when two brothers are fighting over some property issue, which is again a very common scenario these days. Again, a father, would try to head for a resolution or probably try and give a final verdict there. Even when we see at the parliament level or the assembly level, whenever there are conflicts, no government, no state, even no, say, country can operate well, if there are conflicts happening continuously. So it is the duty of, the parliament to resolve these conflicts. That is why we have such robust systems in place, so that these conflicts can be taken care of. Yes. So it is, whenever there is a situation when, say, two individuals, they get into a conflict. Yes. The need of the hour is that when they understand or they realize that they cannot resolve a conflict by themselves, maybe the situation has gone out of hands and negotiation is not happening between them. Mediation or arbitration, we call it, is very necessary. हमें लगता है हम खुद सॉल्व कर लेंगे सब कुछ, हमको बहुत, we know everything. But again, we need to be wise enough to understand that sometimes some sort of mediation is important. Get a third person involved who can give a very unbiased reasoning, or an opinion to your conflict and get it resolved. Yes. In fact, conflicts are of two types. One are constructive conflicts, and other side there are destructive conflicts. First of all, it is very important for us to understand this difference. Yes, let's discuss them one by one. When we talk about constructive, yes.
Before you proceed, I remember one incident from Ved Puran also regarding a conflict management. So should I share with the audience?
Please.
In earlier times also when राक्षस और भगवान दोनों के बीच में जो एक वॉर होता था, आपने समुद्र मंथन सुना होगा. समुद्र मंथन एक वॉर हुआ था जिसमें राक्षस और भगवान दोनों के बीच में एक मंथन हुआ था जिसमें समुद्र मंथन किया गया था. उसको भी हमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट की तरह मान सकते हैं कि उसमें ये था कि कौन सी साइड कौन लेगा, मतलब भगवान की साइड कौन अच्छी साइड लेगा, कौन राक्षस जो है वो हमें हमेशा लोग अच्छी साइड जाना चाहते हैं. तो उनके बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट था कि किसके पास जाए. तो देन दे गो फॉर अ डिवोटी. उनसे उन्होंने पूछा कि किससे हम कौन सी साइड लें. तो उन्होंने दोनों को प्रॉपरली गाइड किया किस तरीके से काम करना चाहिए. And when they work as a team, then only they were successful. So conflict management का भी एक perfect example है ये.
बिल्कुल. Thank you so much.
Okay, you can continue.
Thank you so much, Saurav, for sharing this. And in fact, you're absolutely right. हमको इतना wisdom, होना चाहिए that we have to understand कि हमें कौन सी साइड में जाना है, हमें कौन से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में पढ़ना भी है. Yes. So when I talk about constructive conflicts are those conflicts which lead to clarification. Yes. When both the individuals, they understand that ठीक है, we are getting into this conflict because we care for each other. Yes. We want to head for a resolution to a problem. Yes. We want to get de-stressed. Yes, we want to head towards growth. We want to head towards harmony. So those kind of, conflicts where you are heading towards a positive outcome, those kind of conflicts are constructive conflicts, and in fact should happen. Because जब तक conflicts नहीं होंगे, तब तक कोई innovation नहीं होगी, creativity नहीं होगी. Yes. तो अगर हमें
हिंदी में
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट,
कहावत
हाँ जी
हिंदी में कहावत है कि जब तक दो बर्तन टकराते नहीं तो शोर भी नहीं होता है।
बिल्कुल, हाँ जी।
सही है।
सो बर्तन टकराने जरूरी है, बट सही बात के लिए टकराने चाहिए,
यस।
है ना? सो in fact Tarun is saying something.
या
I
वी हैव
think,
ऑडियंस क्वेश्चन।
yeah, I think communication gap is a main reason for conflicts. So, what are the systems one can implement to avoid communication gaps? Yes, Tarun, I will answer this. In fact, let me answer it right now for you. Communication
ओके।
gap, why does it happen? Because when there is poor communication, हम अंदर ही अंदर इरिटेट होते रहेंगे. तभी मैंने बोला अंदर जब इरिटेशन होती है, एंड व्हेन यू डोंट हेड फॉर अ रेजोल्यूशन देन एंड देयर, हम लोग बात नहीं करते, हम लोग चुप हो जाते हैं, चलो ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, और वही फिर अंदर इट स्टार्ट्स टेकिंग अ डिफरेंट शेप. इरिटेशन विल डेवलप इनटू अनॉयंस, गुस्सा चढ़ने लगेगा, फिर और ज्यादा गुस्सा एंग्री होने लगेंगे, और फिर हम वायलेंट हो जाएंगे. So it is very important to talk it out. Yes, whether it is your, say, in relation, or even if it is your boss at your work front, please talk. Please tell them if you have a concern, and say after you talk to them it is still not getting resolved, get a third person involved. Lot of times that really helps. Yes, I hope I answered your question, Tarun.
Okay, Tarun can give a thumbs up in the comment if he is satisfied with my answer.
Yes, and in fact, I will be discussing some strategies also for the resolution. Is that how can we have conflict resolution? So I think you will get a detailed answer even there as well.
Okay.
Okay, so coming back to constructive conflicts. So we just discussed constructive conflicts, and in fact, if I give an example of a constructive conflict, again, for example, whenever there is a, say, a boss, is trying to give a solution to a problem to the team, they will get into a huddle where there could be a problem, there could be some sort of difference in opinion as well, but the main motive is that they all are wanting to head towards resolution. They want a positive outcome from that conflict. Yes, so that kind of a conflict should happen. Another kind of a conflict that happens with all of us is self conflict. हमारे अंदर बहुत बारी ना कंफ्यूजन होता है that करें नहीं करें, whether this is right or not, at that time, again, getting into a conflict with a person whom you know is your well-wisher. Yes, whom you know will always head towards a positive outcome, will always want your good. Get into those kind of conflicts are again constructive conflicts, because the other person there is trying to find a solution for your problem. So don't keep fighting with your own self, talk it out again. That is again required. क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल, अगर सौरभ आपने आई डोंट नो वो मूवी देखी है या नहीं, गुंजन सक्सेना जो अभी आई है.
No, I have not watched.
Okay, so I will just tell you what happens in that movie. That girl Gunjan, she starts losing her faith in between because of the circumstances that she's faced with, and she plans to give up her flying in between. So at that time, it was her father who got into a constructive huddle, with her, trying to explain her that she should break all the shackles, and she should explore all the options, and she should conquer the world. She should not be scared. So these kind of conflicts, where you're heading towards a positive outcome, they are all constructive conflicts. And please do constructive conflicts, karo. Yes, in fact, there are a lot of times organizations, maybe nobody wants people pleasers, nobody wants yes men these days. People who can, a proposal that has been given on the table, if somebody can challenge that proposal by giving a better solution to it, companies want those kind of people. Yes, nobody wants people pleasers or yes men these days. So get into those kind of huddles, those kind of constructive conflicts which are beneficial. And on the other hand, what are destructive conflicts? Say when somebody is unnecessarily just trying to impose their supremacy on you, trying to act superior, that all right, I am better, you are not. Or maybe say some sort of jealousy. हम बहुत बार experience करते हैं that people might get jealous of us, or and they will try and come to us and say, Swati, this is not right. Again, we need to have our wisdom to understand who's my well-wisher, who's just wanting to have an unnecessary futile conversation with me. Yes, at that point we need to avoid such conflicts completely. They will only lead to frustration, nothing else. Yes. So but again, whenever a conflict happens, irrespective of the nature of the conflict, उसको solve तो करना है ना. Whether even if it is a constructive or a destructive conflict, we really need to find a solution to a problem. But irrespective of the resolution strategy that you employ, I will be discussing that shortly. The pertinent point here is that find a solution. Do not keep it in your mind. Do not let it sit there and wait for it to take some ugly shape or a bad shape. Resolve it then and there. And what are the resolution strategies that we can employ? First is avoiding. I've already discussed destructive conflicts. Avoid them completely. You should not pay heed to any destructive conflict. Again, there are two aspects here. One is, whenever you're trying to employ any resolution strategy for a conflict, सबसे पहले देखो, what is the relationship at stake? With whom am I getting into a conflict? Or who is the person who's trying to get into a conflict with me? Is that person important? Is he my well-wisher? Yes. Then second is, what is the goal that I want to be achieved from this conflict? Now, coming back to the resolution strategies, these two aspects keeping in mind, when will you avoid a conflict? When you know both the things are not important. ना ही वो इंसान important है, because as it is, he is not my well-wisher. He is just trying to waste my time by getting into an unnecessary conflict with me. Yes, avoid it. Because here goal is also not important. ऐसा conflict मुझे जीत के करना भी क्या है? Because I know that I don't have to prove myself to him. I know what I am. Yes? So that is first resolution. Second is accommodating. When will you accommodate? When the relationship at stake is far more important than winning the conflict. Lot of times हमारे घर वालों से लड़ाई होती है ना? I fight with my husband lot of times. But I will give in. Lot of times I will give in because मुझे पता है that मेरे लिए ये relationship बहुत important है. सारा time मेरे को जीतना नहीं है. Yes. So you have to understand who is the other person. So accommodating when you know that the relationship is more important than achieving the goal. Yes. Third is competing. Your only point or your only focus is your goal. Relationship is not important here. Winning is the only possibility here. You can't lose. That is when you will compete. Classic example would be that say there are two organizations, two IT giants, Infosys versus Microsoft. उनका कोई रिश्ता थोड़ी ना, कोई relationship थोड़ी ना. They are, they are into, they are heading, their goal is to win over the other. So वहाँ पे compete करो ऐसे situation में, जहाँ पे आपको पता है you need to prove yourself, you need to prove your worth. वहाँ पे compete करो. Relationships में मत करो. Yes. Then compromise. Compromise कब करते हैं हम? जब मुझे पता है कि मैं accommodate तो नहीं कर सकता यहाँ पे, because relationship इतना important नहीं है मेरे लिए यहाँ पे. But मुझे पता है that I can't even win completely, because the situation is such. मेरा goal 100% achievable नहीं है. So somewhere I will have to compromise. Yes. For example, say when a husband and a wife they're heading for a divorce. Most of the time they would want to do out of court settlement. They say ना हमने out of court settlement कर लिया, हमने compromise कर लिया.
compromise.
Because they know कि अगर legal implications में पड़ जाएंगे, so then it will drag unnecessarily. Yes. So that is when you compromise. Last and the most preferred resolution strategy is collaboration. Try and collaborate most of the time. Because this is a win-win situation. Yes. You are taking care of your relationship also fully, and you are achieving a goal as well. Yes. Again, classic example आज की date में. We are all stuck in our houses. As a family, we know maids can't come in. We can't go out. Everyone is collaborating, right? We are all trying. My husband is doing all the household chores with me. I am trying to help him as much as I can. So we are working as a team. We're trying to collaborate here. Yes, so that हमारा घर भी अच्छे से चले. Yes, so that is the goal that is to be achieved, and the relationship is also fully intact. Yes. So those are the 5 resolution strategies that, you know, if employed wisely, I'm sure any conflicts can be taken care of. Yes. So yes, please, Saurabh.
काफ़ी अच्छे से मैम ने एक्सप्लेन किया जो 5 स्ट्रेटजीज मैम ने बताए हैं, और आप अगर अपनी लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू विल सी द चेंजेस। क्योंकि
अगर आप सब चाहते हैं कि आपका नॉलेज इसी तरह से बढ़ते रहे तो आप हमारे चैनल नॉलेज बड्डी को तुरंत सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल दबाना ना भूलें ताकि सारे अपडेट्स आपको टाइम पे मिल सके।